Hi guys, this is Blue Cripplebot from another Minecraft
Hey,
video.
look my sign. Teacher, look my sign.
Nope, no sign allowed.
Aww.
Labanite, 50 over 50.
Me. That's my score.
Pink Spy, 48 over 50.
Yay.
My score.
48.
50 over 50.
Yay.
Let's write here.
Hey,
Labanite.
that's good alarm.
Over.
I'm very happy
What
because
is score of score gamer 50 over 50. And now, from the last, Pink Spy.
Pink Spy. He left the game. He left the game. He left the game.
Okay, you can see your score here. Good job for building a floor school.
Please may I see my score?
And this is Pink Spy score 48. We're gonna move on to our next lesson. You know what? Killing mobs. Labanite, can your magic turn out tonight? Can you magically turn night?
Yay!
And now, can you on your difficulty?
Diamond sword only.
And bow.
Okay.
And first, you need to fight zombie, then skeleton, then
There's a skeleton.
then ghast,
Where's the
then
gas?
creeper, then blaze, then enderman, and then that's all. I'm gonna spawn it.
Okay. I'm so sorry.
Labanite, you'll go first. In 3, 2, 1, fight the zombie! Very good.
Villager zombie.
Skeleton. Then, Labanite first, then gas. Then, creeper. I'm gonna help you.
Me too.
Yes, the last one. And blaze. Enderman.
I will buy this spider.
And now, you'll turn. Your turn.
Okay.
This is fast, so. This is out.
Where's the gas?
It was killed.
Let's
Let's.
see.
And
Enderman.
Enderman. Don't shoot them with arrows. Play them with swords.
There's the Enderman. I will kill him.
In the last. Very good. And now, you're gonna. Please turn it today. You're gonna learn how to shoot.
Okay.
Come on here. No shooting.
I'm sorry.
If someone shoots, -10. Remember, no shooting.
Here.
First,
Here, cool boy.
cool boy first, very good. Medium, backwards. Then go. Hit the red.
Wait. No.
And go to hard one. Go to the hard one. No, this is the hard one. Hard one.
Wait. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Next.
And I'm next, the teacher. First, easy. If someone shoot and it's not their turn, -10.
Yay!
Yay.
Medium.
Ako ang layo.
And minus if someone
Yay! Red!
third.
Yay.
If someone shoot that it's not their turn, -10.
Sorry.
Red!
Yay! Very good.
Excuse me.
Now it's my turn. Medium. Bye-bye. And the third shot. In the third shot, we can have 3 shots.
Ako one shot.
And I shoot red. And now you're gonna learn how to race a boat. Can someone help me dig down until here?
Me.
If someone would help me, he has he has +10. I placed. Okay. It's not ready yet.
Ah. No.
Get your boat placed on water. When I fire an arrow, it means go.
Hey.
Wait. Where's my boat?
No, that's cheating.
Don't
Because that's cheating. Mind your own boat.
Let's start here.
Okay, where's my boat?
No. Get your bow.
Where's
That's your boat. Go! I mean not go. When I fire an arrow, let's go. Leave boat, quick! Yan. Go! Who is that? Then, go!
Wait, bawal.
Who will race me? Champion with an Akasha. Okay, but guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you